Hello friends, this question is from test series 4, subject name is electromagnetic theory and topic name is guided EM wave. This is a 2 marks problem. The question says that an air-filled rectangular waveguide has an inner dimension of 3 cm cross 2 cm. Then the waveguide impedance of TE20, the TE20 mode of propagation in the waveguide at a frequency of 30 GHz is. The propagation wavelength is given to you as 30 GHz and the mode of propagation is TE2,0. Right, the important thing is that mode of propagation is TE2,0 is. So we know that in the TE20 mode, the cutoff frequency FC is equal to 2C by 2A. Right, where A is the inner dimension, which is 3 cm, and C is a wavelength of light. So just put the values, so means speed of light. So it will be 2 into 3 into 10 raised to the power 8 upon 3. The speed of light is 3 into 10 raised to the power 8 meter per second. So I need to put the values in meter. So it is 3 centimeters. So it will be 3 into 10 raised to the power minus 2. Okay. So I will have my cutoff frequency as 10 GHz. Right. So friends, question says that your propagation frequency is 30 GHz, your cutoff frequency is 10 GHz. So in case of mode TE2,0, the formula for wave impedance is given as, or we know as, neta TE2,0 is equal to n upon under root 1 minus FC by F whole square. We know that where this neta is in the air, which is equal to 120 pi standard value. So just put all values, you will get it as 120 pi upon under root of cutoff frequency we have calculated as 10 GHz. So FC is also in GHz, operating frequency is also in GHz, the GHz will cancel. So just put the magnitude 10 upon 30 whole square and the wave impedance is 400 ohms. Right, so it's a very important problem because the cutoff frequency concepts in the waveguide is also involved here, and then the calculation of wave impedance. So 2 concepts has been involved in this question. So it's a very good problem. The correct option is option C. Thank you.